Hello. According to studies conducted and papers published, an organization loses between 0.1 to 0.5% of its annual payments to duplicate vendor payments. Sounds insignificant? Well, in other words, a company with $100 million in annual payment would be losing anywhere between $100,000 to $500,000 annually to duplicate vendor payments. Hi, I am CA Nikunj Shah, and today I shall share with you how you can use Excel to detect duplicate vendor payments and salvage substantial amounts to create value for your organization. Have a look at the payments data file over here. A duplicate vendor payment is when payment against the same invoice number of the same date by the same vendor is paid more than once. For example, something like this. This would require us to analyze the entire payments data and identify all those transactions where the value in three fields are the same. This test is also called as the same test. To run the same test, in the first step, we sort the payments data at three levels. First, by invoice number, then by invoice date, and then by vendor name. In the second step, we add a column check and use the AND function and the logical operator is equal to test whether all the three fields of the transactions below each other are same. We nest this AND function within the if function to return duplicate if all the three fields have the same value. Our formula is ready. In the third step, we copy and paste this formula in each of the rows of the check column. We are through. The transactions with the same invoice number, same date, and same vendor signaling duplicate vendor payments are now identified with the word duplicate in the check column. A visual review or applying the auto filter is sufficient to isolate them for further examination and necessary action. The same test can also be used to detect related entities in a vendor master file. That is, those entities who may have the same address, the same email ID, and the same telephone number. This test may also be used to identify groups of shareholders who may be trying to influence the stock price on a stock exchange. Use the same test to identify duplicates and replicate success. Namaste and thank you.